All right. Hi, this is Michael Ellis, and I am kind of flummoxed. I found something I didn't expect to find. My beans have been in the sunlight by wire box, um, which I still have to find a better way to tape the top. It's obviously too heavy for duct tape on cardboard, which isn't like bonding well, I guess, because it keeps falling down. But anyways, so I had the Orgonite with the nails in it. I don't know if you can see that. I can't see that on my phone. Okay, there we go. Um, the Orgonite with nails hooked up to the top plate, and the top plate was connected by a wire. I don't know if you can see in there. Oh, yeah. And then the plants, then the bottom plate. This is steel flashing, so it's galvanized steel. And then to the positive on the battery. So the idea was to imitate the Galen Hieronymus sunlight by wire experiment, and have like a no light sunlight like effect, like a sunlight by wire. But instead, I got something completely different. And what it amounts to is a actual like a rooting type of signal, because the plants ended up growing towards the plate, roots out of the soil towards the plate. As you can see right here, some of these bean plants have actually had roots that grew up out of the soil towards the plate, like they were reaching towards a ground source, but they're up out of the plate, or up out of the soil. So these roots actually grew up out of the soil, thinking there was like a minerals or water or a root, some type of energy that they could connect to. So you have these roots growing out of the, and on the beans you also have, on the bean stalks you also have roots growing out of the tops of the beans. So like they're rooting up around the leaves. So they're also throwing out roots up by the leaves. So it's like they think they're still underground. They have these roots growing out by the first leaves. So so this was done on the 6th. So it's been 9 days, and obviously these have grown the most, these three. And you can see kind of what's happened as that's gone along. So we didn't succeed, but we discovered something. So that was worth it. So it wasn't just a shot in the dark. So pun intended, I guess. Well, not intended, but I guess it counts as a pun. So so we got a ground signal. So maybe, because I discovered that with a similar idea, I posted in another video playlist, that if you use a copper pipe on a similar setup, you actually generate some heat. So I wonder if I use a copper pipe instead of the nail, and use that as the top, like a copper pipe like that, because that's like a little heating unit. If that would actually produce the sunlight effect, because the heat, obviously, being beneficial to the plant growth. So I'm going to try that next, and we'll see what happens. So Orgonite, copper pipe, battery on the ground, or if battery at all, or ground at all, and I think that might work. So we'll see, and so I'll let it grow another week or so, and see if that doesn't have any beneficial effect. And I'll also get some better tape, I think like aluminum tape or something, for that to hold up the top so it doesn't keep falling down on the plants. So there we go. So thanks for watching. This is Michael Ellis, and get some sprouting stuff. I don't know, just a hunch. I don't know. It's good for you. So, anyways, see you later. Or take care and be safe and everything else.